be done. We cannot let the world fall to darkness. The true battle lies ahead. For the Alliance.